What's up guys, Celissa here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review, or better yet, a first impression on the Sacha Inchi and Omega 3-6-9 Rescue Repair Hair Mask. I got this from a beauty supply store and I've used their co-wash, which is amazing. So when I seen the mask, I'm like, I need to try this because my hair could use some Omega 3-6-9, rescue and repair. So I was like, I'm gonna do my little review on this and see how this works. As far as consistency, this is brand new, so it's like, packaging and everything. So it's definitely a thick consistency, as you can see. It don't move, it don't shake. Very creamy. It's very stiff. So I will be using this as my first impression. It smells so good. And as far as ingredients, you got your Sacha Inchi seed oil, rich and nourishing Omega 3-6-9. It's rich in nourishing Omega 3-6-9 and antioxidant vitamins A and E that will help revive damaged hair. Quinoa essential amino acids coat the hair shaft to protect naturally, and Rose of Jericho draws in and helps hold essential moisture. So as you can see, my hair is dry, it's in a bun. It's been like 2 weeks now. I need to wash my hair. My scalp is on fire. It's screaming. It's mad at me. It's ready for it to get washed. And make sure you guys give a big thumbs up, and also comment down below what else you guys would like me to do or what else you would like me to test out, and I would do that for you guys, okay? And if you haven't checked out my recent videos, they'll be linked down as well. Make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload, so you won't miss anything. You don't want to miss anything. Just letting you know. Keep up with me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, and it says rescue damaged, distressed hair with this intensive treatment. Infused with omega-rich Sacha Inchi oil to deliver essential nutrients to rebuild distressed hair. Certified organic shea butter, quinoa, and rice of Jericho extract combined in this deep conditioning formula to restore elasticity to reverse dryness, support hair and elasticity, and reduce breakage. Helps prevent further damage. Alright, so now I already shampooed my hair, co-washed it to detangle, so now I'm about to apply the product. So there's the product, Sacha Inchi. Smells really good, by the way. You can tell by my face. Yes, heavenly. Lovely. So the consistency is kind of thick and then kind of grainy-like. It felt weird, but it was very thick. It's a very thick consistency, and which is heavy, and it's really good. So as I apply it to my hair, it starts to melt. As you can see, it's just melting into my hair. And then I realized God is good, and this product is really good. So as my face can it just says it all. But it's really good. It like melted my knots really well. So I continue to put the product through more on the back of my head, since I started from roots and worked my way up. So now I'm putting it more at the roots, and then working my way down, and just finger detangling all the way through, just to get the product through my hair and through my strands. And then now you can see how my curl pattern is and how easy it is to tangle with it, and it made my curls pop. Alright, so now I'm going to separate 4 sections. Separating my first section, and then I'm going to apply more product just to get more slip. This has amazing slip, by the way. So go ahead and add the product through and start finger detangling, and then pulling apart just to get the product through my hair. And as you can see, my curls. Then I get my wide tooth comb and start combing through my hair just to get rid of any more tangles. And then I get my dim-in brush and do the same just to get a little bit more closer. Look at those curls popping. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop. Look at that. And then I go ahead and put it in a twist. And then I'm going to do that for the rest of my hair. I have my twist in. I have 4 twists. So then I'm put the plastic bag over my head. And then I'm going to also put on a hot towel. So as you see, I'm going to rinse the towel with some water first. And then I'm going to wring it out. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave. Just for a couple of seconds. You see, 35 seconds. And then I take it out. Yes, look at that steam. That's what you want. You want it steaming, but not burning. And then put it on your head. Wrap it up. And then you're going to sit for about 30 minutes. Now time to rinse out my hair. I first untwisted my hair. I know some people like to leave the twist in, but I never leave the twist in. But I untwisted it and I rinse it out with cold water, which is what you should do so you can seal in that moisture. So I'm rinsing it out. Rinse, 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 rinse. And then now I'm going to wring it out some. And now I'm going to put the t-shirt over my hair. Instead of using a microfiber towel, I like using a t-shirt. I start putting it on. And then I'm going to make it into like a turban type style. And then wrap it with a scrunchie just to hold it in place. And then I'm all set. Alright, so now my hair is wrapped up in the t-shirt. Look how this came out. I need to start doing this more often. Or at least get a scarf that I can start doing it with. But let's go ahead and take this off and see how my hair feels. But in general, my overall experience with that deep conditioner, it definitely is moisturizing. Like my hair, oh my god, it is so soft. It smells so good. It definitely brought out my curls. My curls are popping. Look at that. Curls, 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 curls all around the world. But I really enjoyed this. My hair feels really nice. It feels moisturized. It feels soft. It feels healthy. It feels nice and refreshed. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give a big thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, let me know. Comment down below what else you guys would like me to do next. And that's all for today. So if you guys want to follow me on my Instagram is Alyssa18 and my Twitter is 18Alyssa and my Snapchat Buttercream Alyssa. Wait, did I say Buttercream Alyssa? Buttercream 18. Alright. I will have those linked down below as well. Click on those, give me a follow, and say hey. Alright, well, until next time, you guys. Bye. I just like my hair. Alright, bye you guys.